What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a pretty exciting video because this is the video we're going to install my new LED side markers courtesy of Oracle. Some awesome stuff here. Check these things out. These things look so cool. Let me get some papers out of the way. Oops. Knocked over a picture of Hammer Down Motorsports' Camaro. Look at these. Man, these look so cool. I opted for, of course, the black finish to match the paint, and the clear LED strip. I'll take one out for you. They're actually not that complicated looking. So in the car, when they're set up, you're supposed to go behind the fender well and hit this, and it should pop out, and then you can pull it out and unplug it and just pop the other one in. It should be an easy install. It doesn't look like anything complicated, but that's what we're about to do right now this morning, is do that. It shouldn't take but like maybe 5 minutes, if that, if everything goes well, which I don't see how anything can go wrong. See, I wasn't lying when I said this. Hammer Down Motorsports is Camaro there. Yeah, I watch his videos sometimes. He's a cool guy. But anyway, we're about to go outside and install these. Alright, so here we are outside at the car, and here's the first side marker we're going to get out. And I heard that you can kind of stick a flathead screwdriver back into here. You don't even have to take the fender well out. All you have to do is just find the clip and kind of push it out. So I'm going to try that right now. I got it. Look at that. See it moving? Yep, there it goes. Yeah. So you take this out. Yeah, it slides out just like the others. And you got to twist and remove the bulb. So I'm going to twist and remove it now. Okay. So that's easy to remove. All I did was just kind of twist it and pull, and it comes right off. And so we don't need the bulb part as well, so I'm going to get that off too. Alright, got the bulb out. Had to cut the camera for a second so I could wrestle with that clip. But here's the bulb. We're going to put that back in the side marker, and our new side marker should just plug right into this, and just push it right in, and we should be good to go. So I'm going to do that now. That wasn't hard at all. Check that out. So all I did was plug in the wire and push it into here, and then you push it in here so that clip holds in, and now it's in there. Let's see what it looks like. I'm curious just to see if it like. Oh man, it works. Hell yeah, brother. Look at that. That's awesome. I know it's in the middle of the day. Man, those look good. I'm really happy with the way that turned out. That's good. So I'm about to do the other front side. I'm not going to have you guys sit through that. But I'm going to turn the camera back on because the rear is a little bit different. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so here we are at the back of the car. Just got the front done up there. Looks great. But the back is a little bit different because you see how far back the side marker is from the fender wall here. In order to get to it, we have to undo the bumper just a little bit. There's one 10mm bolt, I believe, right here that needs to be taken out, and we'll be able to pull the bumper back enough to gain access to the rear side marker here. So let me do that now. Okay, so I got the bolt out, and now the bumper should be loose and ready to pull apart. Oh, yeah, there it goes. You should theoretically be able to reach it from there. Pull this out because it is moving a little bit easier without this here. Ah, that's way better. I can reach that with my fingers now. Houston, we have a problem. Okay, good news and bad news. Good news, I was able to get the side marker out. Bad news, so we lost a clip on the old one. Shouldn't be a problem because I am replacing them anyway. It's just one of those things that happens when you're working on cars. That should be the same deal as before. I'll put this back now. And I know you can't see me, I apologize. I couldn't really find a good place to set the camera. Got the bulb, got the old side marker out. Now, just gonna put the new one in. What I did was I untwisted this and just let the wires kind of hang so I can easily maneuver this part here, which worked in my favor. Oh yeah. Mission success. Now I just gotta do the other side, and it's pretty much the same thing. So I might stop the video here. Man, these look great. That might be a thumbnail right there. Let me just kind of, yeah. Anyway, oh, I'm not wearing my sunglasses. Much better. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe. I'm trying to grow the channel. And as always, take care.